Want to learn one of the most popular programming languages in the world? Let's dive into a complete overview of C++, the language behind operating system, game engine, browsers, and more. C++ is a general-purpose, high-performance programming language. It is an extension to the C language, with added support for object-oriented programming. Let's start with the basic. A typical C++ program looks like this. This includes the string library for input-output, main function as the entry point, and cout to print output. C++ support multiple data types like int, float, char, bool, and even custom data type using stack or class. Use arithmetic, logical, relational operator just like math. C++ also support if-else, switch case, loops like for loop, do-while loop, etc. Function in C++ help you keep your code clean and reusable. Each has a real type, name and parameter. You can also define global or local variable based on scope. C++ support OOP, object-oriented programming. This includes key concepts like classes, object, interface, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. C++ also offers advanced features like pointers and memory management, template for generic programming, STL, standard template library, exception handling. C++ is fast, powerful, and used in game engine, embedded system, compilers, and even financial system. Mastering it gives you strong programming fundamentals. That was a complete overview of C++. Want to see real-world project and practice problems in C++? Subscribe for more.